Do you want to know how to get these AI avatars? So simply watch the video till the end. Please subscribe if you like it. Quickly open App Store or Play Store and type Lensa, then download it. Then click on Create Avatars and start uploading your 10 to 20 photos. However, it takes less than 20 minutes to finish the setup. You can see as I have already paid for the subscription and got these avatars. Next step, select your gender, then get your customized avatar designs in your mobile phone under 20 minutes. Please subscribe if you found this video useful, and thanks for watching. DM me on Instagram to get your avatars done.